First, remove your water filter. Put water in your tank with a cup of vinegar. Just regular household vinegar. And run your coffee maker until your water tank is empty. In the meantime, I'm going to wash some of the other parts, such as these, and the water filter, clean that out. Very carefully remove any parts in here that's removable. Put this into the hot vinegary water, and if you look inside, there's a whole bunch of gunk in there that you have to remove. A tray in here, I think. Look at that. It's been a while since I cleaned this one. I'm gonna wash this under running water. This part, I'm gonna wash it in this vinegary hot water with the toothbrush. And then rinse this off under running water. Be very careful. There is a needle in here that punches out your pods. Remove your water tank, wash it out under running water, and scrub it real well. It has some hard water deposits. With the clean cold water, run it through a few cycles. The more is the better. You want to rinse everything out. And this part as well. That's it. And run it through again a few more times with just clean cold water. Replace the filter, wipe off everything, put back the drip tray, refill your water tank, and you're ready to go. Nice and clean.